Hi. Hi, hello. So actually in previous class we discussed about arrays concept. Okay. So in that single dimensional array, okay, we can already discussed in previous class. Now we will go for two-dimensional array. Okay. So please wait. It will be loading and I click. So two-dimensional array. So what is array? Array is used to represent the group of elements as a single entity. This is element is a homogeneous data type. Okay. We can store multiple values into a single variable is called what? Array. Okay. So now we will go for multi-dimensional array. Okay. See, wait. See this class notes. Okay. In previous class, we discussed about what? Array concept. Okay, single dimensional array. We can discuss it in previous class. Declare an array, add values into an array. Okay, find the size of an array, and after that, read single value from an array, and then read multiple values from an array. Okay, we will discuss it in yesterday class. This. So now, note. Okay, this note also yesterday we can see. So we will go for what? See here, two-dimensional array. Okay, so two-dimensional array. See this two-dimensional array contains what? This is a two-dimensional array structure. Okay, two braces. This is variable, and this is a okay. This new is a keyword, and this is a constructor like. Okay, see this. This is what here we can index yesterday only five. Five means there are five. Okay, five is the index number. There are five values. We can fix it an array. That's okay. Here we can see what 302. Why means three is the rows. Okay, rows count, and two is the columns count. See this row index start from where? 0. So then column index is start from where? So 0. Okay, row index and column index are start from the 0. Okay, see this. This is one example 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. See this. This is the row count. Okay, there are three rows here and two columns here. Okay, so 0 means what is the value here? 100 is the value. 1 means what is the value here? 200 is the value. And 10 means value is here 300. And 11 means 400 here. Same like 20 means what? 500. Next 21 means 600. Okay. Same like this is matrix format like here there are three rows and two columns are here. Okay. So now so A1 we will capture what first. Okay. See this is what for each loop. Okay. For each loop structure. So we will discuss it later. Okay. Please wait. Okay. For each loop same. Now we can write one program here. Okay. For two-dimensional array. Now we can write one program. See this. So now I can create one class, new class name is what? Two-dimensional array. So same like I write two-dimensional array 2, DWO2, okay, dimensional array 1. So this is the my class name and I can click finish. Okay, see this in this main method we can write. Okay, so now first we can declare an array. Okay, so approach one here. So APPRO. Okay, ROS approach one is here. So in approach one, what we can do that declare the okay declaration. So we can write what declaration here. So declaration is what? See this int okay structure is okay space a okay this is the structure new is the keyword next I can give int okay int of 3 and 2 okay see this is the structure what is this is the declaration here. Okay, 3 is the 3 rows and here 2 is the 2 columns here. Okay, now we can insert the values a of 0 comma okay 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 means we can give what 100 here. See this actually in previous image we can show the values. See here. Okay, 0 means what 100 we can give. So 1 means 200 I will give. Okay, 10 means 300 I will give. 111 means 400 give. Okay, same like we can give the values in here. So array of 0 okay 0 and 1 okay 0 and 1 we can give 200 Next array of 1. So array of 1 and 0. Okay, array of 1 and 0 we can give 300. Next array of 1 comma 1 1. Okay, 1 1 give what? 400 here. Okay, next array of 2 0 500. Next array of 2. Okay, 1 here. 2 1 means 600 here. Okay, see this. So what is this? This is the starting and index. This is what? Ending and index. Okay, so this is what? First one is the declaration. Next one is what? Adding the values or assigning the values. Okay, assigning the assigning the values or what? Adding values. Okay, assigning values or adding values. See this. This is an starting index. Okay, this is starting index. The index start from where? 0. Okay. Next, this is what? Ending index. Okay, INDX, ending index. See this, ending index is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is like index number. See this, 2, 2, like that. Okay, I can say that is what 5 values are. That's why I can display like this. Okay, but don't use in any for loop methods. So now I will go for what? Approach number 2. I will go. Okay, second approach. APPROACH. Approach 2. See here, sorry, okay. See here, approach 2. Okay, approach 2 means I will give directly inside the values. Okay, I will give directly inside the values in approach 2. So how? Int, okay, a1 equal to, see this, okay, 100 comma 200 close comma 300 comma 400 close comma 500 comma 600. Okay, this is the second approach. Okay, this is the second approach. I can give directly all values inside the array, multidimensional array. Okay, see this. Here index numbers are there. So I can give index numbers like, see this. This is what? 0. This is what? 1. Okay, and I can give here same like, see this. This is 0 0 and this is 0 1. Next this is what? Wait. Okay, see this is 0 0 0 1. Next what? 0. This is 1. This is 0 and this is 1. See this. 0 0 display what? 100. Next 0 1 means display what? 200. Okay, 1 0 display what? 300. 1 1 means display what? 400. 2 0 means display what? 500. 2 1 means display 600. Okay, this is the structure. Okay, here means what is this? This is the, see here. Okay, this is declaration plus assigning the values. Okay, declaration plus assigning the values. Okay, are you understood? This is what? Declaration plus assigning values. This is what? Only declaration. After that we can assigning the values two separately. We can directly into the one format like this approach to. Okay, are you understood? So array not support any methods here. Array is not support any methods. Okay, collection support only methods. Okay, now I will give the length of an array. Okay, now we can see what is the length of an array. So length of an array. Okay, see this. Wait 2 minutes. Okay, see this. This is the length of an array. So length of an array we can display what? System dot. Okay, out dot pr system dot out dot println println. Okay, this is what a dot length. I can declare like this, a dot length. Okay, see here, it shows what? Okay, a dot length. I can write like this. See this. Now I can save the file and run it. What is the output here? See this. Okay, our length is what? 3. Why 3 means? It is display the what? Row length. Okay, it is display what? Row count here. This is displayed what? Row count. So how many rows we can using? 3 rows. That's why it will be displayed. Okay, so A is an array and length is what is the length of an row. Okay, now we will display the column count. Okay, column length. So that's why we can use what? Same method here. So I can copy this. Okay, I can paste it here. So here we can display the array structure like I can give 0. See this. Okay, see this. And I can write like same. Please wait. Control V. And I can write like same. Control V. Here I can give 1. And here I can give 2. See this. These 3 are, okay. These 3 are what? Column counts. See this. I can save this. I can save the file and run it. See this. Okay. It's loading. 3 is row count. So if you give like this for column, so it displays 2. Okay, if you like this 0, 1, 2, if you displays like 3, whatever you can give. So it displays same output 2, 2, 2. So here we can use what? 2 columns. So that's why I can explain like this. So if you use only one, any one, okay. In these 3 you can, okay, use only any one. Okay, so I can use first one. So that's why I can erase this. Okay. So now, see this array of 0 means what? This is the row length. See here, this is the row length. Okay. Next, so change. You can change array of 1, array of 2. Okay. So see this. So one dimensional array. Okay. This operation is performed in one dimensional array. Size of an array. Okay. This operation is in one dimensional array performs size of an array. Okay, in this operation is in two dimensional array performs what? Row count here. Okay, row count here we can perform. So next I can display only length of an array. See this, I can display only this 500. So how? So now we can write what? System dot out dot println. I can write like this. Okay, I can write like this. This is what? It displays what? So get the particular data from second array. Okay, it is what? Get the particular data from which array? Second array. Okay, so now we can see. So second 2 of 0. Okay, 2. Okay, second row 0 column value will be displayed or not. See this. 500 will be displayed or not. 2 of 0 is value is what? 500. 500 will be displayed in output or not. Okay, it is working. So next, same you give outputs all values. It is displayed or not? We can see backspace, backspace, backspace. So this control V, control V, control V, control V, control V. See this? Okay, I can give what? 0, 0, 0, 0. Next, okay, I can give 0, 1, 0, 1 here. Okay, next I can give what? 1, 0. Okay, next 1, 1. Already 2, 0 will be displayed. Okay, now I can give 2, 1. See this. See here outputs what? So save the file and run it. Okay, save the file and run it. See this, all will be displayed or not? 0, 0 means 100 is the value. 0, 1 means 200 is the value. 1, 0 means 300 is the value. Okay, 1, 1 means 400 is the value. Next 500 already displayed in 2, 0 here. Okay, now 2, 1 means what? 600. So all values are displayed or not? Okay, these all are what? Single values. These all are single values. I can give the output like every single array. Okay, that's why these all outputs will be single. Okay, single statements, like these all are single values, single values. Now I will get all the values. Okay, now I will get the all the values. Okay, so what we can use here? For loop. Okay, so if you use the for loop, so you can get all the values. See here. So get the all values. Okay, so we can use what? For loop. For, see here, I into integer I equal to 0. Okay, so I less than what? How many I less than or equal to how many columns are there? How many rows are there? 3 rows are there. Okay, so 3 means length minus 1. So length minus 1, 3 minus 1 equal to what? 2 here. That's why I can write 2 here. Okay, so y means I index is start from 0. That's why I can write length minus 1. Okay, next I plus plus. See here. Okay, in that we can write what? For we can write only for row. So now we can write for column also. Okay, that's why I can give for I, for j equal to 0 into j equal to 0. Okay, now see this, j less than, wait, j equal to 0, j less than or equal to 1. Why means there are two columns are there. Only two columns are there. 0 is one column, 1 is another column. That's why I can write like this. Okay, next j plus plus. Okay, so now here we can write what? Print statement. So write this system dot out dot println println array of what? I. See this array of I and array of j. So we can write both. Okay, plus quotations. Okay, see this displays what? Sorry, I can write I here. That's why it shows wrong. Okay, so I can write what? J here. This is also J. So why it displays incorrect? So please wait 1 minute. I can show you the code. Okay, J plus plus is also correct. Okay, semicolon. Is there any semicolon missing? No, all are correct. So for integer I equal to 0, I less than or equal to I plus plus. Okay. Next for I, okay, I can write, wait. So y means it shows error. I can give the semicolon inside the braces. Okay. If you give outside, there is no error. That is small mistake, but it shows what? Very big mistake. Okay. So now I can write system.out.println system dot out dot println. Okay, why two print statements? There are used two for loops here. That's why we can write two print statements. So first one is for j, second one is right for I. Okay. So now I can print this, copy, save the file and run it. What? See here. Okay, for 600 will be previous one. So all are displayed or not? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Okay. So this first one is for what? For row count here. Okay. This is for row count. Okay. J is used for what? For column count. COLUMN column count usually here. Okay. So now here, see this. I will go for debugging here. Okay. So wherever so in which row, okay, in which serial number first statement will be started 30th. So you can double click on this. Okay. So after double click, press F11. Okay. And after that, press F6. See here. Is loading or not? Debugging is loading. Please wait. See the output. What will you? Okay. So how it is working? See the output. I can press what? F6. Okay. I equal to 0 is pressing or not? Now I will give for what? F6. So j equal to 0 are displayed not. So this these two statements, now it is work. Okay, now I can press what, F6. So if you press F6, see this, next again press F6. Okay, next again j will be displayed. See this, 100 is displayed or not? Okay, see this is the output. Okay, you can see from 100. Okay, so now again I can press F6, 200 will be displayed or not? Okay, now I can give F6. See this, press F6. Okay, press F6, press F6. Okay, press F6, 300 will be displayed or not? Press F6, again press F6, 400 will be displayed or not? Press F6, 500 displayed. Okay, 500 displayed. After that 600 will be displayed. See this, if you go format like this. Okay, for until where, if 2, see here, if array goes to 2 2 means what? So 2 columns 2 row means there is 2 2 is not here. Why means I have only 2 columns, so not third column is there. That's why array index is out of bound exception in that cases. Are you understood? Okay, so this is the multi-dimensional array concept. Okay, I value constantly change here. I value constantly change. If you take 0, okay, if you take 0, check this one, 0 less than or equal to true, it is true, yes. Next, j equal to 0, 0 less than or equal to 1, yes, it is true. True means 100 will be displayed. Next, so I equal to 0. Next, here j value is increment. Why means column value is incremented. Okay, first you can take one row. So first one row contains what? 2 columns. 0 0 is 1, 0 1 is 1. So that's why. So after that j will be increment here. Now j 0 1 will be checked. Okay, 0 1 value is what? 200. That will be displayed next. Next. Okay, after here the program I will is terminated. After that we can go for increment the I value. So I value means I equal to 1. So 1 less than or equal to 2 means true. Next 1 less than or equal to, okay, 0 less than or equal to 1 means true. Next print what value? 1 0 value printed. And after that j will be incremented. Okay, next I equal to 1, j equal to 1. Okay, 1 1. So 1 1 value will be printed 400. So next I value is again increment. Increment means 2. Okay, 2 less than or equal to means true here. So that's why 2 0 means what? 500. That value will be displayed there. Okay, next j value is again incremented. Incremented means it is one value. So 2 1 means what? 600. That will be displayed. After that there is no. Okay, there is 2 2 means not there. That's why array index is out of bound exception. Okay, are you understood? So next we will go for what? Collection framework. Okay, see this collection framework. Now we will go for the another concept, collection framework. Collection framework can be divided into what? 2 types. First one is collection and next one is map. So these are our interfaces. Collection contains, okay, collection is a root. So this root is contains what? Some child classes. What is the child classes are? List, set, queue is the child class interfaces. This is the root class interface means collection. See this, it is a root interface like what? Search context. Okay, it is like collection is like search context and map is like what? Web driver. Okay, so see this all collection framework and classes. It is a use what? Java.util package here. So now the root interface of the collection is, see this, the root interface of the collection is what? Collection. The root interface of the map is map. See here in Java all classes. What is the root class? What is the parent class in Java? In Java, question interviewer definitely ask this question. So what is the question in Java for all classes? So what is the parent interface? What is the parent class? So object class is the root class for all Java classes. Okay, so object class is the root class for all Java classes. Okay, are you understood? Here list, okay, list is child. So what is the root for this list class? Root is collection. What is the root for set class? Collection. What is the queue for root class? Collection. These three are all what? Child classes here. Okay, so see this representing group of objects. Okay, representing group of objects in a single entity. So collection is what? Representing group of objects as a single entity here. So next, collection is divided into 2 parts. So collection. What is the 3 parts? 2 parts. Collection and map. So in collection there are 3 parts. What is list, set and queue. In map, only map. Okay. So see here, root interface of a collection is a collection and root interface of a map is a map here. Okay. What is the difference between collection and map? See this. Arrays are represent, okay, arrays and what is the difference between arrays and collection? Array are representing group of objects as a single entity. Same like collection also representing what? Group of objects as a single entity. So what is the difference between these two? So array can store only homogeneous data. So collection can store what? Heterogeneous data. Heterogeneous means different types of data. Okay, are you understood? Next, arrays can store primitive data types. Primitive data types means what is integer data types like that. Okay, so arrays can store primitive and object data. Both can store. Collection can store only what? Object data only, not integer types like. Okay, so array is fixed size here. Here, see this. Array is what? Fixed size here. Fixed size means if one room is available here, okay, so the room length is what? Two persons. Okay, if 4 persons come to that room, okay, it is not no available that there. Okay, so array is what? Fixed array. So fixed size also array contains what? Fixed size. That's why. So collections what? So number of persons will be allowed that room. Okay, so the difference between these two. So array is maintains the fixed size and collection is maintains there is no fixed size. Okay, you can allow number of people. So this is this. Arrays are not recommended with respect to memory. Okay, arrays are not not recommended with respect to the memory. Collections are recommended what? Memory here. Okay, so collection want memory here. So arrays are not support any methods. Only collection support methods only. So arrays are good in performance compared to collections. See this. Arrays are very good performance compared to collections. So see here. This contains one diagram. So these all are what? Classes. In that green color displayed are what? Classes. So in pink color displays what? Interfaces. See here. Green color displays what? Classes. And pink color displays what? Interfaces. So characteristics of collection classes. This is very important questions in. Okay. So interviewer asking definitely what is the characteristics of collection classes. See here. Able to insert null values in collection classes. Okay. Null collection accepted the null values here. Okay, duplicate objects. See this. List allows only duplicate classes. Okay, set is not allocated any duplicates. Only list can allow, list interface can allow the duplicate classes. Set is not allows any duplicate classes. Are you understood? Next, insertion order. See this. -1, -E1, E2, E3. So E1, E2, E3. So insertion order is preserved here. Okay, this is what? List class. In set class, what? It is written. It is a reverse order. So that's why it is not preserved in set class. See this note. Every collection class is internally implementing what? Auto boxing concept. So every collection class internally. So collection classes means what? See, these three are collection classes. Okay, so these are collection classes. So collection classes internally implementing auto boxing concept. See, these are auto boxing or not? Okay. Next, auto boxing is primitive data converting into objecting format. Primitive data is integer typing data is converted into objecting format is also called as auto boxing. Okay. Next, remove means if data is not available, just ignore the action. Okay. So in this collection, we will discuss in next class. What is the difference between arrays and collections? Okay. So array can also representing group of objects as a single entity. So collection also representing group of objects as a single entity. But both are different. Why means arrays are contains what? Heterogeneous data and collection are store the array contains homogeneous data. Collection can store heterogeneous data. So array can store primitive data type and object data type. And collection can store only what? Object data. So array is fixed size and collection is not a fixed size. Arrays are not recommended with respect to the memory and collections are allowed with respect to the memory. And arrays are not supporting any methods. Collections are supporting methods. And arrays are not compare between these two. Array performance very good compared to the collection performance. Are you understood or not? So next class we will discuss about collections and collection programs. Okay. So thank you.